Chapter 3 Matrices Part 8. This video consists solution to this problem. If A equal to matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, show that I plus A equal to I minus A into matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. To prove this, we will take tan alpha by 2 equal to t. Okay, ഇത് എളുപ്പത്തിൽ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ tan alpha by 2 equal to t എന്ന് എടുക്കണം. Let t equal to tan alpha by 2. Then A equal to, here this is our matrix A. So A becomes 0 minus t, t 0. 0, this is t. So 0 minus t, t 0. Now LHS is I plus A. I is identity matrix of order 2, 1 0 0 1, plus A is 0 minus t, t 0. Now adding these two, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus minus t is minus t, 0 plus t is t, then 1 plus 0 is 1. This is LHS. LHS is matrix 1 minus t, t 1. Now in RHS we have this term I minus A. 1 0 0 1 minus matrix 0 minus t, t 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus minus t is t, 0 minus t is minus t, 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we have this equation, cos 2 alpha equal to cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Now this equation we can write it as cos square alpha minus sin square alpha divided by 1, and we can take this 1 as cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos square alpha, we get cos square alpha divided by cos square alpha 1 minus sin square alpha divided by cos square alpha is tan square alpha, and numerator becomes 1 plus tan square alpha. So we have cos 2 alpha equal to 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Now replacing alpha by 2, we get cos alpha equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Replace alpha by 2. So cos alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and we have tan alpha by 2 is t. So this expression becomes 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. We have sin 2 alpha equal to 2 cos alpha sin alpha. This equation we can write it as 2 cos alpha sin alpha divided by 1, and this 1 is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square alpha. Now cancelling cos alpha, this equation becomes 2 sin alpha by cos alpha, and here we get cos square alpha divided by cos square alpha is 1. Again here sin alpha by cos alpha whole square. So we have sin 2 alpha equal to 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Now replace alpha by 2. Then we get sin alpha equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Sin alpha by 2 is 2 tan alpha divided by 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, and tan alpha by 2 is t, so this is equal to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. So this matrix becomes 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square minus 2t divided by 1 plus t square, 2t by 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Now we can take 1 by 1 plus t square outside. So this matrix becomes 1 by 1 plus t square, matrix 1 minus t square minus 2t, 2t, 1 minus t square. Now RHS is I minus A into matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, that is equal to matrix 1t minus t1, and this matrix is 1 by 1 plus t square into matrix 1 minus t square minus 2t, 2t, 1 minus t square. Now we can write this term here at first, 1 by 1 plus t square, then product of these two matrices. Now multiply first row to first column, 1 into 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square, t into 2t, that is plus 2t square. Then first row into second column, 1 into minus 2t minus 2t, then t into 1 minus t square. Then second row into first column, minus t into 1 minus t square plus 1 into 2t. Then second row second column, minus into minus is plus, t into 2t square. Then 1 into 1 minus t square, so plus 1 minus t square. Now here 1 minus t square plus 2t square is plus t square. Then this term becomes minus 2t plus t into 1 is t into minus t square is minus t cube. Now here minus t into 1 is minus t, minus into minus is plus, t into t square is t cube plus 2t. Now 2t square minus t square is t square. So this term is t square plus 1. So we get like this, 1 plus t square. Now here minus 2t plus t minus t cube. This term is minus t plus t cube plus 2t. Here t square plus 1. Now the second term minus 2t plus t is minus t. So minus t cube. Now this term becomes minus t plus 2t, that is t plus t cube. Here t square plus 1 is 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square. Now take minus t outside, minus t into 1 plus t square. Here take t outside, t into 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. So we have 1 plus t square is common to all the terms. So we can take 1 plus t square outside. Remaining terms are 1 minus t, t1. Now cancelling 1 plus t square, we get matrix 1 minus t, t1, which is equal to LHS. So RHS equal to LHS, hence the proof. Okay, thank you.